So let's check the upper. You have the pump, and you have a valve here which goes up and down when you shoot, and that's it. This part is the most complex and the most expensive. It is some 20-25 euros if you want it to be replaced, but it's in good shape, good condition on both models. Both of them are sharing the same barrel, the same rear sight, windage and elevation, and someone before me put fiber optic on this one, making it illegal for competition. More stamped metal, everything is made out of stamped metal. When you are disassembling, watch out for those two guys, because they will fall out once you remove those 3 screws, and this guy could also pop up, so be careful. You don't have the same problem on PR-45 because there is a plate. Let's check the differences between two Gamo pistols, PR-45 and Gamo Compact, which is now absolutely disassembled. Both guns are sharing the same upper, but the lower is different, so it is not interchangeable. You cannot buy PR-45 and convert it into Compact because it has different mold right here, so it would be impossible. However, the mechanism is pretty much the same, but it is not absolutely the same. On PR-45 you can find 2 springs, one here and one here, and the trigger is traveling directly like this. On the other hand, model Compact has a little bit nicer trigger. It goes from here, there is a joint, and it depresses the whole stuff. I need to be careful because it's falling apart. Okay, there is one spring here on older models, there is another spring here on newer models like on PR-45, and there is one additional spring over here. So what snapped on my pistol? It is this rod connecting the pump with the trigger, so I need to replace that one. Are they worth any money? Good question. Everything is made really cheaply. Everything is stamped metal everywhere, even those stuff are made of stamped metal, just riveted, like 10 layers of it. Polishing not really good, nothing special, really simple. Is this work worth 250 euros? Probably not. Is this one worth 150? Maybe. And that's it. If you want an air gun, buy something more serious. Those two are toys, basically, not really good toys.